All right, Microsoft just dropped one of the most interesting Windows 11 updates in a while, and it's packed with things most people aren't talking about. A brand new Xbox mode that turns your Windows 11 PC into something that genuinely feels like a console. File Explorer performance improvements, memory usage optimization, and haptic feedback support for compatible mice. The catch? Several of these features don't appear automatically after installing the update. Today, I'm going to show you how to install it, how to enable every hidden feature, and what each one actually does. Let me first run through everything this update brings before we get into the hands-on steps. Xbox Mode, a completely new full-screen gaming interface that gives your Windows 11 PC a console-like experience. Full screen, controller-friendly, integrated with the Xbox app and Game Pass. We'll explore this in detail. File Explorer improvements, performance optimizations that make File Explorer noticeably more responsive. If you've ever felt that File Explorer lags when navigating directories or loading thumbnails, this update addresses that directly. Memory usage optimization. Windows 11 is doing a better job of managing RAM allocation for background processes. On machines with 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, this should produce a tangible improvement in overall system responsiveness. Let's get the update installed. Open Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If KB508361 appears in your list, click Download and Install and let it complete. You'll need to restart after installation. If the update doesn't appear in your Windows Update list, which can happen depending on your region and Insider program status, you can download it manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. On the catalog site, search for KB508361. You'll see versions for different Windows builds. If you're on Windows 11 25H2, download the 64-bit version for Intel or AMD. If you're on 25H2, download the 25H2 version instead. Run the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts. After installation is complete, restart your PC. The update will be applied during the restart. After restarting, go to Settings, Gaming, and look for Xbox Mode. For many users, it's not there. The setting simply doesn't appear even though the update installed successfully. This is a deliberate Microsoft rollout strategy. The update includes the feature infrastructure, but the features themselves are gated behind feature flags that Microsoft enables gradually, pushing them to different percentages of users at different times. Some users get Xbox Mode immediately. Many don't. The same applies to haptic feedback settings. They won't appear in Bluetooth or mouse settings automatically for most users. The solution is Vive tool, an open-source tool that lets you manually enable these hidden feature flags. Let's set it up. Vive tool is a free, open-source command line utility available on GitHub. It works by enabling or disabling Windows feature flags, the same flags Microsoft uses internally to control feature rollouts. Open your browser and search for Vive tool GitHub. On the GitHub repository page, go to Releases and download the latest version zip file. Once downloaded, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. When choosing the extraction destination, navigate to your C drive and create a new folder called Vive tool, so the full path is C:\Vive tool. Copy this path and extract the files there. This specific path matters because we'll be navigating to it in command prompt shortly. Keep the folder path simple and at the root of your C drive for easy access. Verify the extraction worked by opening the C:\Vive tool folder. You should see vivetool.exe and several supporting files inside. Now let's enable Xbox Mode. Click the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Administrator privileges are required. The command will fail without them. In the Command Prompt window, first navigate to the Vive tool folder by typing or pasting the path copied, C:\Vive tool. Press Enter. Your prompt should now show you inside the Vive tool directory. Now type the following command to enable Xbox mode: vive tool /enable /ID:59765208. Press Enter. You should see a confirmation message, "Successfully set feature configuration." If you receive an error on the first attempt, double-check that you're in the correct directory and that you ran command prompt as administrator. Try the command again after confirming both. This feature ID, 59765208, was discovered and documented by Windows enthusiasts tracking Microsoft's feature rollouts. The command tells Windows to enable that specific feature flag on your installation. Close Command Prompt and restart your PC. The restart is essential. Xbox mode will not appear until after a full restart. Before checking settings for Xbox mode, do one more thing after restarting. Update your Microsoft Store apps. Open the Microsoft Store and click Library in the left sidebar. Click Check for Updates at the top right. Let all pending updates download and install. Specifically, make sure Xbox and gaming services are on their latest versions. Xbox mode requires current versions of both to function properly. If either is outdated, Xbox mode may appear in settings but fail to launch or display correctly. Once all store updates are complete, proceed to Settings. Go to Settings/Gaming. Xbox mode should now appear in the list. Click on it. You'll see several configuration options. Enable Xbox mode, the master toggle. Turn this on. Show Xbox mode in Task View. Enables Xbox mode as an option in Task View, making it easy to switch between your regular desktop and Xbox mode. Show accessibility control hints in Task View. Displays one-button alternatives to button combination shortcuts within Xbox mode. Useful if you're using a controller. Let me show you what Xbox mode looks like and what it gives you. When you launch Xbox mode, your entire screen transitions to a full-screen console-like interface. Clean, large UI elements designed for controller navigation. It feels genuinely like being on an Xbox console, running inside your Windows 11 PC. System information is displayed contextually. On a laptop, you'll see Wi-Fi signal, battery level, and time. You can connect an Xbox controller and navigate entirely without a keyboard or mouse. To exit Xbox mode, either press Windows key plus F11 again or click the Exit Xbox Mode button. Your desktop and all open applications return exactly as you left them. Nothing closes when you enter or exit Xbox mode. KB508361 is one of the more interesting Windows 11 updates in recent memory. Xbox mode alone is a genuinely new type of Windows experience that gamers will appreciate, and the memory optimization and file explorer improvements are welcome for everyone. The fact that several features require Vive tool to unlock is frustrating, but Microsoft's staged rollout approach means full availability is coming, and now you don't have to wait for it. Drop a comment letting me know whether Xbox mode appeared automatically for you after the update, or whether you needed Vive tool. I'm curious how widely Microsoft has rolled this out. A like and a subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.